it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we're with Mahfius. Yes, man, Mahfius with You and I. First time reacting to a song from Mahfius. So big up yourself, my G. Yeah. Big up yourself, Mahfius. Yes. Rich Team family, big up yourself. You don't know. Production team, time to get them big up. You don't know. Well, I forget everybody them credit, right? Rich Team family, big up yourself. One Vice, big up yourself. Council, yeah, man, I had the video, man. Make sure the video clean like Jesus Police record. The video clean. Me go tell you all me know say the video clean. Still, yeah. Sting them. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah. Big up the whole of Southside. Yes. Clarendon, Manchester, the whole cut. Me go jump in one and see what going on, man. Let's go, man. Me go tell you all me know say the video clean. Watch when video clean. Boom. Look here. 4K tina. 4K youth. When video uploading at 4K, you know say they all them do what them do. So big up for that. Make a jump in that. Let's go.
Make up to say so. Every day is an argument.
Every day, sir?
But you know say, I mean you see me though. A day in a place.
One Vice.
I make careful stay so. Cause I'm fine in our makeup. You never ask me day ago. Just a cause and a fight over the same stuff. Just stop.
Mama, where you stay, sir? Mama, where you stay, sir? Eh? You ever ask me how many day ago yet? You ever ask me how many day at work go, or my general day going, or if me have any plans going for? Oh, you stay, sir. You don't care about my well-being, but you care about what you cuss and fight for? What you cuss and fight for? There's nothing to cuss about. What's her again, Mahfius? Fuck she a cuss for. Secular spirit. Me have feelings too, you know?
Make careful stay so.
You can ask me too. Me have feelings. We man have feelings too. Mahfius, what one?
But you know say, I mean you see me though.
Yeah, man. I mean, you see me still.
One Vice.
Where you go?
I make careful stay so.
Yeah.
Cause I'm fine in our makeup. You never ask me day ago. Just a cause and a fight over the same stuff.
Same stuff,
Just
mama.
stop worrying if me faithful. If you don't search up my phone, you don't feel good.
Mama, that is a sign of insecurity. You worry if me faithful, you search up my phone. If it, what you look for? Suppose you find where enough you find. Even though that not in the cause of you, me say, behave yourself, no man, just settle down and make you have a nice life. What that the G tell you? And that the G tell you, just read between the lines. Read between the lines.
You never ask me day ago. Just a cause and a fight over the same stuff. Just stop worrying if me faithful. If you don't search up my phone, you don't feel good. What we've been through. It's just you and I. Through the nights, through the darkest of the times. You and I. It's just you and I.
So basically right now, he must say, yo, she have potential to be the perfect woman. She just need to just drop some of them little dirty ways there. Drop the insecurity. Drop the ningy. But most women come with that still. Most women come with the ningy. Not the insecurities. So, cause some women trust them man see me. But mama, are you there from morning now evening? Just believe in your gene, man. Just believe in the man. That the G I tell you.
Times, you and I. It's just you and I. So turn off the lights, free your mind. Put your body next to mine.
Yeah.
You and I.
Skin to skin, mama.
Just you and I. So stop worrying about this and that. Wish girl me a link whether she or dash. She a bag of
I wish stop. You see, I'm telling you, I'm worried about the wrong thing, mama. Don't worry about them. You in the house, your wife.
stop worrying about this and that. Wish girl me a link whether she or dash.
Like it. Yeah, man, I like it, man. And as a G, in them situation, you have to be strong in your mental, you know. Because you will give up and walk away, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Ladies, stop it, please. Ladies, stop it, please.
Day night, please.
What one?
I make careful stay so.
What man?
Cause I'm fun and now we make up. You never ask me there go. Just a cause and a fight over the same stuff.
Yeah.
So stop worrying if I'm faithful. If you don't search up my phone, you don't feel good.
Yeah.
What we've been through.
Yeah.
It's just you and I. Through the nights, through the darkest of the times. You and I. It's just you and I.
I mean, are you alone?
So turn off the lights, and free your mind. Put your body next to mine. You and I. Just you and I.
Yeah.
So stop worrying about this and that. Wish girl me a link rather she or dash. Your bag of stories are far from the facts.
Your bag of story far from the facts, lies and truths. Right now in I studio, me there just me alone and God. So all of the accusations, big word, that's a big word. No. All of the accusations where you give me, mama, nothing like that. And your mind that play tricks on you. Insecurities, cut it. I'm not giving no reason for be insecure. Please, just do that, man. Please. Please, give me a break, please.
So stop worrying about this and that. Wish girl me a link rather she or dash.
Yeah.
Your bag of stories are far from the facts.
Yeah.
Hear me if you chill.
Chill.
So wine for me. All my life and all the time for you.
Yeah.
Just believe me. It's just you and I. Through the nights, through the darkest of the times. You and I.
Yeah.
It's just you and I. So turn off the lights, and free your mind. Put your body next to mine. You and I. Just you and I. Everything not for perfect. Cause your love always share me know you worth it. It make me wake with a purpose. Forgive you the word cause you deserve it.
Man say, make me wake with a purpose. The purpose is you. The purpose is the relationship we have. You are you, but when you go walk me here and see that, mama, when you go do that?
It make me wake with a purpose. Forgive you the word cause you deserve it. So stop worrying about this and that. Slow wine for me. See nice, see you want to be. So don't play with me. Someone gone on the steal me, I come back. Yeah, call off my phone and I get mad. Passionate.
I'm going to the studio, I come back, I call up my phone and I get mad.
Someone gone on the steal me, I come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, call off my phone and I get mad. Passionate bad baby girl, you know me love that. Come and know make you love to a slow song. Yeah, we never change. So wine for me. Don't look in the eyes when there's some privacy.
You're the video you ranch, you fuck. All we are going to video, I look on the ranch, you fuck.
So wine for me. Don't look in the eyes when there's some privacy. Just wine for me. So wine for me.
Gotcha. Mama, you give man like a pump and the man get weak out and go leak. Man get leak out and go weak out, and the first thing you take up, a cellular. The first thing you take up, a cellular. Eh? You work a call center or something? Hmm? May I ask you, how you love phone? So you work a call center? Eh?
So wine for me. So wine.
Watch it now.
You and I, through the nights, through the darkest of the times. You and I.
What the fuck is
Just you
Tasha?
and I. So turn off the lights, and free your mind. Put your body next to mine. You and I.
Alright, I'm gonna read Tasha message now. He said, Jaja, okay, it's fine, I understand. I figure you say that. Okay. All Tasha do, I laugh. How me see Tasha do right, just I laugh, you know. And then today, say, love ya. So him said to her, I love you.
Just you and I.
And Tasha said up at the top, nice. Boy, Tasha not look bad. Bumbo clot. Me G. How are the rasties? Hold on there, man. So you got time me say Tasha and cause me Kimbo up here so to pussy clot. Hope some have Kimbo in a car. This a big on me. Mahfius. How are you getting it now? Wait no man. Three at the table. 3 at the table. What? What me more no? Talk. Hold on! I hate when I do this, you see. I hate when I fucking do that, you see, dog. Counsel, counsel, big up yourself. But I like when you do them something, brother. So did G ask the two of them to marry to him? Did G ask the two of them to marry to him? What the big name? Polygamous relationship. It's a polygamous relationship. Man want two wife one time. Wait. Who I gonna say yes? To be continued. To be continued. Let me know what I want to think about that one. I do. Jesus Christ, I want to get you and cut down my throat. Cut my throat in a giant. No, my throat not a giant. Fuck you, taxi. Hey! What do you think about that one? Mahfius, make up yourself. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you say? I like it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I'll be down there. I'll be down there waiting. Big up yourself. Big up the video, man. One voice, big up yourself. You make the beat, man, G. Big up yourself. Council, big up yourself, bro. You do the video. Yes. Southside, yeah. Clarendon, Manchester. Big up yourself. A rich team family. Yes. Sting them. Outside, you know. All right. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.